faded off 1942, taking off the nights I spent.
Okay, what's up? What's up? Hello, you guys. This is Jackie Nicole, and thank you for coming back to my channel. So here on this channel, you'll find content on mothering, fitness, and food and fun. A side of fashion, some business, because of course y'all know, okay, I'm a mommy of 5. I love staying in shape with fitness. I love to cook. And of course, I like to have fun. So all of that's wrapped up in this channel. Hey, it's being Jackie Nicole, which is me. So you're gonna get everything I do. So if this is not something that you want to see, I'm gonna give you time to exit. Okay, if you're still here, then today it's a little bit different. I'm on my fitness journey as I get this 6-pack after 5 kiddos. Y'all know off and on throughout the years or whatever, I said, okay, I wanted one, but I never really put in the work or the discipline to get one. So that's what I'm doing now. And I've been going hard for the last, 2 weeks or whatever, staying on task and actually keeping up with what I'm eating and doing my workouts or whatever and focusing on my ab routines. And this video right here is pretty much what I'm doing right now for abs, especially with, after the revision surgery or whatever, because I've just recently got back into starting back working out. As you can see, okay, I'm not too far or whatever. It's just that I gotta, lose the little flab that I have and find those muscles in there so they can do what they need to do, because I really, really, really want a 6-pack. Don't mind, I have a heater plugged up right here in the garage, because y'all know I work out in my garage, and I have the heater plugged up, which I'm getting ready to turn off because it's getting hot in here. But first of all, I write down my workouts, because if you don't write down your workouts, you don't know what you're doing, it's never gonna work. You can't go to the gym and say, okay, oh, I think I'm gonna work. You gotta know what you're working on when you go there, whether you're at the gym, home workout, whatever workout that you're doing or whatever. So enough of the talking. I'll just keep y'all updated throughout videos. So like every other video or whatever, every 3rd video, I'll update on my actual journey. And I'm gonna weigh myself and take myself and everything and give you the deets or whatever, either at the end of the video, throughout the video, or whatever. So let's get started.
Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town.
And I usually would do this Roman chair, and I do about 25 of them, but I substituted with this.
Tired of beefing you bones, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib, and sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't play that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap. Hey, this ain't Drizzy, just snap.
And for where I usually do the ab wheel, I substituted with this.
Shawty get thrown off in that ring. Shawty get thrown off in my bed. Shawty get thrown off in that ring. Shawty get thrown off in that bed. Shawty get, no I'm feeling right. I need a little bit of that spice. You know I'm finna go all night. Yeah, you know. Shawty get thrown off in my high. Yeah, shawty get thrown off in my bed. Shawty give me thrown off in that ring. Shawty give me thrown off. I'm whipping up Popeyes. Give me at my house. I'm so ready. I'm so in a benzo. Jamming pop smoke. Got a Spanish bitch on me like a poncho.
In the heat us together, hope it's worth the drive. You ain't always been the angel, but heaven's on you.
Okay, so I'm done with my workout. Of course, I did 4 sets of each Most of, if it's not a plank or whatever, planks I do for a minute. And the rest of the exercises, I do 25 of each. And I let you know the subs that I usually do that I substitute because I don't want to, you know, risk hurting anything. But that's the end of the workout. So I'm getting ready to go in and get my oats, which I'll show y'all my, I'll probably make a video of how I do the overnight oats because a lot of people on TikTok were saying they tried it and they like it. Because at first I didn't like the rolled oats that I saw a recipe. I tried it, it wasn't for me. But I tweaked another one a little to my liking. That must be Amazon or my daughter. I had somebody at the door. But anyway, I'll show y'all that recipe that y'all can try or whatever. But right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and eat my oats. Throw back on my shirt that I had on before because I need to go to Target to get me some whey protein because the one that I use, which I'll put a clip of it right here, it tastes horrible. And I can't. If I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna have to have one that I actually like the taste because me making myself and getting a nasty aftertaste, I ain't gonna be able to do it. So that's what I'm gonna do now. And then I'll head back to do everything that I had planned to do in my binder. I wasn't initially planning to go to Target, but if I wanna stay on track, then I gotta do what I gotta do. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my oats and head out to the store and shoot there right quick. And that's the only place I'm supposed to be going right now. But I'm sure I'll stop somewhere on the end. So thank you for watching this video. And stay tuned. Right before I close this out, I'll put in, you know, my weight and measurements or whatnot. It should be up there somewhere. But stay tuned for more videos. Be you, because only you can do it best. And just live. Why? That's the message. To the next one. I mixed it up when I got back, and here's an update that I posted to my TikTok.
Rent paid.